bonus reading for February the 12th to February the 13th, Earth signs. We have the King of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the Hermit card. Napapansin natin dito siguro, nito mga panahon na nagkaroon kayo ng challenges na person, humupa, nawala, naging cold, no? Yung treatment niya sa'yo, even the communication. So parang feeling mo, itong person natin is nawawala na ng gana sa atin. That might be true, no, doon sa mga nafe-feel mo. Pero nakita natin dito with the Hermit, nagkaroon siya ng enlightenment. After nung mga nangyaring yon, nakakakita tayo na nandun pa rin yung love, no? Pilit man niyang tinatanggal, pilit man niyang ini-ignore yung relationship, yung feelings niya sa'yo. Parang yung Hermit card, no, para siyang konsensya na poking your person na, huy, hindi tama yung ginagawa mo. And I feel like may mga bawi naman si person na gagawin. Especially yung mga emotions na kinimkim niya for not showing you how you are important in their life. So ngayon medyo may revelations of actions. No, this is your bonus reading Earth signs for February the 12th to February the 13th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.